So this is the first place we are considering purchasing an Airbnb here in Italy. As you can tell, this area is very, very small. This is kind of one of the nicer spots that's available here, right on the Amalfi Coast. You can't really see outside, but if you look closely, there's going to be water directly outside this window. Hard to see, I guess we'll see it tomorrow. But this is it, folks. Basically a little one-bedroom studio apartment. There is the kitchen. And there's the kitchen. You'll notice in a lot of Airbnbs, they have a sink and they'll have like a little bit of burner, but there's not like your traditional kitchen, because if you're gonna go eat, of course you go eat downstairs. The bedroom, little screen to kind of cover, goes into a little closet, some towels, and one bathroom here. You know, pretty chic, pretty nice looking. But no standing tub, nothing like that. Very similar to what we did in the lake house. Just good looking spot, very small, but well done, which of course attracts people like us or anybody that wants that more modern feel. But that's it. That's what you get for $500-600 a night. I think this was $588 a night, and we'll be here for a couple nights, and then we'll be off to Florence to look at a couple other properties.